Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add a button on Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Squarespace and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on your dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on the website where you want to add your button. Click on the website icon just after that. Now, this will take you to your website's setting page where you can easily click on the edit icon at the left of the screen and navigate to your website builder. So here you can easily edit any content on your website, any section, any block and the interface of your website. So here what you're going to do is simply navigate to the section or the page where you want to add your button. For example, this page has these two buttons. I will click on this page and I will see an add block button at the top left, a plus icon. I'll click here and it will show me this menu where I will see that I can add text, image, button, video, form, audio and a list of elements on my page. So I will see the button option just right here. If you don't see the button option, just type in button, click on the button option. Now this will instantly generate a new button for your page. You can simply take it anywhere you want, place it below any of the images or the section wherever you want to place it. Now after adding the button, you can click on the edit icon just at the top of that button. So I'll click here. I'll click on this pencil icon that is edit. Now you can easily edit the text that is inside this button. So this button comes with an default text that is learn more. I will add a text that will say buy now and I can also click on attach link and here I can easily add a link to a page so that whenever someone clicks on this button, they'll be redirected to that page. You can easily copy any link. For example, I'm copying YouTube's link. I will paste the link here. Now you can see YouTube's link has been copied and pasted here. You can also click on design and edit the primary button and edit the design of this button, whether you want it to be primary, secondary, or you can also click on edit button styles and pick up a style that you want. For example, the shapes and sizes. I'm going to choose this one. Now I will go back and I will make it primary. I can also select the font of this button, the style of this font, normal, the weight, and the text alignment, text transformation and different options. I can also click on the shape and I can choose whether I want the shape to be a square, circular or some other format. I can also choose the outlining. Now after doing this, you can easily go back, click on close. And as you can see, I just added this button on my Squarespace. Now you can do the same with any page. Just go to that page, click on add block, choose button, edit the contents of that button and click on save. After you do this, you would have successfully added a button on your Squarespace. So that is the simple way to add a button on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.